All lovely people out there, Namaskara. Good to see you back. This is Learn Kannada series, Kannada QuickBytes 11. This video is about Kannada greetings. You will learn how to greet in Kannada. We at Kannada Magic team hope that you are already learned a lot of Kannada words and sentences from our previous videos and started to conversate with others in Kannada. Let's get started. In this video, greetings in Kannada, sentences and usage examples are seen. For example, how do you say hello? That is namaskara. How do you say how are you? That's chennagiddiya. And I am fine, chennagidini, and many more sentences. When you want to start conversating in Kannada, always say namaskara. Any point of the time to anybody, you can say namaskara is a very good gesture of addressing somebody and they will love you for this. Hegiddira can be added to ask how are you. Hegiddira. Namaskara. Hegiddira. It means hello. How are you? You can practice along with me. Namaskara. Hegiddira. Namaskara. Hegiddira. If you want to say good morning in Kannada, it is Shubhodaya. Shubha Udaya. Shubhodaya. It means very good morning. And Namaskara is typically used as a simplest way of just greeting somebody any point of the time. You can always start by saying Namaskara, or you want to be specific about addressing them or telling them about good morning, you can say Shubhodaya. Know about Kannada and Karnataka? Facts. Kannada cinema. Did you know that sandalwood, the Kannada cinema industry is also called as sandalwood? In Kannada it is called as Chandanavana. First Kannada talkie film was Sati Sulochana, was produced in 1934. Underwater shooting. Shankar Nag, a well-known actor, director of Kannada film industry, was the first Indian director to experiment with underwater shooting. The movie name was Ondu Muttina Kate and has legendary Dr. Rajkumar playing the lead role. You already learned that if you want to ask how are you, you can ask Hegiddira or Hegiddiya. But there is another way that people ask, and you need to understand this as well. This is called Chennagiddiya. If you want to ask somebody, are you doing good? You can ask Chennagiddiya. It's a friendly way of asking. If you end by ya, Chennagiddiya. Whereas if you ask Channagiddira, that is with respect to the elders and to strangers or somebody you happen to see first time or a colleague, you can start by Channagiddira. Channagi-iddira is a one word if you want to ask. It is Channagiddira. Channagi-iddira becomes Channagiddira. It means hope you're doing good. People may also ask you, Neevu Channagiddira? Neevu, you, with respect, Neevu. Neenu is also you, but that is friendly. Neevu is with respect. Neevu Channagiddira is a typical question. Neevu Channagiddira. You can repeat after me. Neevu Channagiddira. Neevu Channagiddira is a very casual way of asking Neevu Channagiddira. Neevu Hegiddira can also be asked. So how do you respond if somebody asks you how are you? Hegiddira or Neevu Channagiddira. If people ask you, how do you respond? You can say Nanu Channagiddini. I am fine. Nanu Chennagi Iddini. other two words, it becomes ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು, that is me, I am fine. You can say ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. You can repeat ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ or ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. How do you say she is good? ಅವಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು, she. ತುಂಬ is very much. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. When you are addressing a female, you will say ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಅವಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ or ಅವಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. This also means not just she's good, she's beautiful. This can be used even for beauty, expressing beauty of somebody. ಅವಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Either you're answering that somebody, she is good, you can say ಅವಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ or ಅವಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. This can be also used to express somebody is really beautiful. You can say ಅವಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. Know about Kannada and Karnataka facts. Kannada cinema. Did you know Sandalwood Guinness Book of World Records? The film Shanti, made by Barguru Ramchandrappa, released in 2005, is the only second Indian and first Kannada film to enter the Guinness Book of World Records under the category of fewest actors in a narrative film. The film features only a single actor. First slow motion song in Indian cinema. Directed by Puttana Kanagal, the film Nagarahavu, starring late Dr. Vishnuvardhan, was a big success. One of its hit songs, Bare Bare, had been shot in a slow motion. With this, it became the first slow motion song in the history of Indian cinema. Maximum number of re-releases. Om, starring Shivraj Kumar, directed by Upendra, is a cult hit in Kannada film industry. In the last 20 years, the film has been re-released more than 500 times. This is a record on its own, both at the national and the international level. Okay, let's see if you want to say you're not feeling good. Channagilla is a word. If you're having fever, headache, or you're sick or ill, you can say Nanu Channagilla. There's other word to say Nanage Husharilla, but you can say Channagilla also. Nanage Channagilla. Tale novuttide. Nanage, to me, Channagilla. I'm not comfortable, not okay. Tale, head. Novuttide, headache. Tale novuttide or novuttide is headache. Nanage Channagilla. Tale novuttide. You can easily say ನನಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ also. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ is also used to express something is not good. For example, this saree is not good. You can say ಈ ಸೀರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ, this one. ಈ is this one. ಆ is that one. ಈ ಸೀರೆ is saree. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. This is a way to express something is not good. Okay, if you met somebody and then you're saying tata bye bye, you can say sigona. See you soon, sigona. Matte sigona. You can use sigona or matte sigona. ನಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am going to my place or native place. ನಾನು, I. ಊರಿಗೆ, ಊರು is nothing but your native. ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am going to. ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. See you again or see you soon. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. If you want to ask again, when are we going to meet again? when shall we meet again? You can say ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗೋಣ. If you want to just say ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ, you are saying that we'll meet again. You want to ask somebody, you can say ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Great, you learned a lot more Kannada sentences and words today. Congratulations on doing this. Let's check your knowledge. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Let's see if you can understand the meaning of this. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Tell us the meaning of this sentence in the comment box below.
Friends, hope you liked this video as well. Please like and subscribe. You can check out more and more videos. The links are given below in the description. It is youtube.com/c/kannadamagic. Thanks for all your support.